Hey everyone, welcome to Recipecheckr, your cooking channel for restaurant style and real recipes. I am Sunder, which is very simple but yet very popular, and it is part of every South Indian thali meal. A kootu. Kootu is very simple to make, a quick dish. Now what I'm going to show you is one of this gourd kootus. So I'm using the vegetable today is chow chow. That's what I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned. The preparation time for kootu is about 20 to 25 minutes. It has a two-stage process. So I'm going to show you how to make both stages. Now I have taken both the dal and the chow chow and pressure cooked it along with some turmeric powder and salt. I left with about 3 to 4 whistles now, and this is cooked. And in the meantime, while it was pressure cooked, I grind the coconut with some jeera, and this become a coarse powder. So once this is ready, I'm going to take the pan and I'm going to use the coconut oil. So I'm going to add 4 to 5 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of oil. Once that oil is warm, I'm going to add the red chilies. Once the oil is warm, then I'm going to add the mustard seed. Once mustard seeds started crackling, I'm going to add the cumins or the jeera, and now the garlic. Once it just gets the raw flavor out, adding the green chilies and adding the onion. I'm just going to add little salt. Remember, I've added the salt for boiling the dal and the vegetable. Just adding a little bit. Once that's getting ready, I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of chili powder, just for a flavor, not for the spiciness. 2 pinches of asafoetida. And now I'm adding the tomatoes. Curry leaves. Now once the tomato is cooked, it will become a little soft. At this stage, I'm going to add the boiled and cooked dal and the vegetable. Quite nice, the color and the flavor, I can feel it just comes out perfectly all right. Now while it's just in the simmer, the consistency is just fine now, but when I add the coconut, it will just become a little tight. Just give a good mix. So it will become like a smooth and thickening agent. You can see the consistency is absolutely changed. Add little more water and just give it as a boil. This one boil just sufficient for the coconut to get cooked, and also the mix, whatever we tampered, and the vegetables, the dal and the coconut, everything to get mixed well and combined well and form as a nice kootu. Once this is done, now going to finish it with some coriander leaves. The moment you add the coriander leaves and give a good mix, it just gives you a nice freshness and the feel of the kootu. Hope you enjoy the video today. It's a simple recipe, but we made it little different and unique, like adding the coconut oil. Also that on the grinding process, we add a little bit of jeera. Also that the asafoetida, few things we added in the process. Also the perfect way of cooking. It looks colorful, very aromatic, very tasty, and I'm sure that will impress your family and friends. So please try this recipe at home and leave us your comment and share this video if you like it, and subscribe our channel if you haven't done that before. And I look forward to see you soon with another recipe.